The E-Roll Observer to West Jaintia Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, visited the office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills District today. During her first visit, the observer held a meeting with all the electoral registration officers, assistant electoral registration officers of the 5 assembly constituencies to review regarding the activities conducted within the district during the ongoing special summary revision period. As part of the sweep activity, Lalu also launched an awareness video on Special Summary Revision 2024 created by the district sweep icon, Chi Yung.
How? Like this, like that.
Habis berkecil berkecil trong ke district berkecil dengan special summary revision ke last tahun kedua dia tarik trong Oktober kat kun kecil tak trong commission kecilan kecilnya jadi ban pet ban judit yang ki jingnya trong processes di prepare kecil pen form kecil delete iki keteng kecil pen kelas iki keteng haki konstitusi prepare dengan baki DNO dengan baki ERO baki ERO